Tired of important updates getting lost in the Basecamp shuffle? Then mastering mentions is your key to seamless teamwork. And in the next minute and a half, I will show you how to do just that. First, let's start with a message in Basecamp. Click into the text box where you want to compose your message now. This is the magic part to mention someone. Simply type the @ symbol. As soon as you type @ a drop-down menu will appear showing a list of people in your Basecamp project. This list of names is automatically generated from the people on your project. Start typing the name of the person you want to notify, or scroll through the list and select their name. Notice how their name appears with a blue highlight. This indicates they have been successfully mentioned. Continue typing your message, adding any important information or context they need to know. Once you're happy with your message, go ahead and click the Post This Message button. Mentioning people in to-do lists is just as easy. Open up a to-do list and click on the to-do where you want to mention someone. The process is the same. Type the @ symbol and then select the relevant team member from the list. This will ensure they receive a notification when the to-do is created. The person you mention will receive a notification in their Basecamp account, alerting them to the message or to-do. They can then quickly jump to the relevant conversation or task and take action. And that's how you use mentions to keep your team informed and on track. Happy collaborating!